When I was unboxing my new Insta360 LUNA ULTRA, I also recorded a lot of footage of the camera in action in different situations and different scenarios. I thought if you are looking to buy the LUNA ULTRA, maybe you'd like to see this footage. It will help you give an idea of what it looks like when you're actually holding the device and what it might look like to try vlogging with it or filming out on location. So here now is 5 minutes solid of footage of the Insta360 LUNA ULTRA camera from every angle, every possible angle I could shoot it. It's a face-off, and what's really irritating, I know this really frustrates me when I do these tests, is that I have to put on screen what footage you're seeing, but the camera you're seeing on screen now is the Insta360 LUNA ULTRA, but this is what it looks like shot on a DJI Pocket 3. I think those kids were trying to join in on the video.
Just gotta get their forecast back. I've got my bed or something. No. Is that late? Yeah. After my own.
What it's like in the camera. This is what it's like using the camera. I'm holding this at arm's length and I'm moving under a tree so you can see how the different light conditions change.
Very smooth. Okay, that's 10 now, isn't it? Okay.
Down to open the control center. So I guess these are all the settings. Always going a bit quick now. Swipe right to view camera storage. I thought swipe right. Show you this on the Pocket 3. I haven't set the screen to not turn off, so the screen goes off to save power, and I have to touch it with my thumb to bring it back to life. But when I do that, it triggers all kinds of things.
Okay, that's 10 now, isn't it? Okay.
Compared with this one, I like the discreetness of the Pocket 3, but and let's do a spin. I haven't quite got to grips yet with the different gimbals, but yeah, it doesn't feel that much heavier. It's just chunkier. Really difficult.
Oh.
But this, even when he goes off screen, he pops back on again. Absolutely incredible. I think I might be using tracking a bit. Okay, I'm going to do the thing everyone demonstrates. You press the two red buttons here to remove the screen. Preparing touchscreen mode. It's no. Let's take off this so we can actually see the instructions. And it's just...
Let's try that again.
Now it's saying new firmware found, thank goodness. Yeah. Let's start the download.
Through?
I prefer touching it like that, do you?
Yeah, like going like... Yeah, like that. It's more satisfying rather than going like that.
Yeah. And there's less of a...
Wireless mic. I'll click on wireless mic. And we can connect... Ecosphere, you'll probably know what dropping a marker does. Look, it says marked. LUNA ULTRA. I only opened this morning, so I'm not quite used to all of this, so that you might be in this position yourself. So I've got the flashing blue lights for pairing. What if I go in? Now let's try detaching the screen. There we go, that's better. It just got confused because it thought it was connected to the app.
And there's less of a chance of it bouncing.
I'll be getting some accessories for this over the coming weeks, so I'll put on screen now the playlist for all my Insta360 LUNA ULTRA videos, and I'll also be sharing my experiences as I go. So thank you for hitting the thumbs up or the subscribe button, and right here is what YouTube knows you want to be watching next.